Alright, how we doing, Veve and Ecomi fam? It is OhmDawg here, coming at you with another price action update. And today, I just wanted to start off today's video by saying I'm sorry I missed the past, I guess technically two uploads. I was supposed to upload the Veve drop this morning for the Marvel Mighties, and I was supposed to do a price action update technically earlier that morning, technically like 3, 4 a.m. But I had my hands full, and now it is currently 8:14 p.m. that same 24-hour period, August 14th, 2021, and yeah, now I'm here after work. So glad to be here, guys. Kind of tired, but it's okay. I'm gonna do the best I can for you. With that being said, let's go ahead and throw up the disclaimer right there, and yeah. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Trading with money involves risk, and I'm not responsible for any decisions you make based off this information today. So, with that being said, let's go and get into the charts. And we're going to go ahead and throw up the daily right here. We just had our previous daily candle close bearish below this bullish candle, which is something I personally wanted to see. I didn't get to go over that 2 days ago, but it's okay because last video was I guess actually this candle, yeah. So anyway, daily candle is currently, or the next daily candle is currently printing bearish as we speak. I'm gonna drop to the 4-hour, continue our top-down analysis, and go ahead and mention that this liquidity right here has been taken right here. Oh, well, technically, I'm sorry. It should be this. That liquidity is gone, so we don't have to pay attention to it anymore. And this technically is gone too as well. As we can see, it technically swiped it, but I guess it depends on how much is actually sitting under here, because it only really tapped it and didn't really fill it in. So we want to see currently how we treat this level right here around the 2640, 2650 area. Keep an eye out for more liquidity down here. I'm going to go ahead and drop down to the 1 hour. And also going to go ahead and mention we did technically break structure as well on the lower time frames. But I'm going to treat this as more of just a grab to go to the upside, and I'll explain why on the hour chart. So here on the hour chart, we have had this nice bearish move down, confirming, well, bearishness in this area throughout really this whole area, because if you pay attention, we've seen multiple times the market has reached up around this area to go higher, and ultimately every single time has been rejected. So what that leads to tell me is that we are, looking to go down. And like I say in every video, we're not looking, or we'll keep the possibility open for that kind of move, but I personally don't see something like this happening. Moon Boys see something like this happening, but I don't see something like this happening, because why? We don't have a reason for price to do that. What would be the reason? Immutable X. That would be a very good reason for price to just skyrocket, and that is coming up hopefully soon, by the end of August, early September, I believe, if I'm correct. If not, then later in the year. So that'll be exciting to see Immutable X coming. But yeah, that's why we remain bearish right now, because there is literally zero reason for price to just fly up unless it is being manipulated. If price just spikes, it's 100% coming back down. There's no way it's gonna sustain staying up here without having a true reason for investors to get in and continue buying pressure as the market rises. So that's why we remain with the bearish I'm sorry, excuse me. that's why we remain bearish in terms of perspective, because we don't have the evidence. It's really that simple, and it's, if you notice, it's almost like that every video. We're either going here or we're going here. We're going here. If this happens, then this is going to happen. And yeah, so if this doesn't happen, then, you know, we're looking to continue downside until we see proof or evidence otherwise. And it's really that simple, guys. Of course, you know, there's a lot more into it in terms of how I trade and how I view the markets, but it's in terms of actually just looking at it and trying to get, you know, trying to set your vision and see what's really going on. Keeping two biases really helps, because when one happens, the other one doesn't. It's kind of easy. It's not 100% easy, of course, but it's easier to judge, and you know, checking on the higher time frames, it's easier to use that in confluence with everything else. So as of now, we're going to go back to the hour time frame and just look at price right now. We've been sweeping liquidity. It looks like we could be bringing new lows to entice buyers, so we'll keep that in mind for later. There we go. Keep that in mind for later. But on the lower time frames, I do see price actually, let me call it a 30-minute. I do see price actually potentially returning, and I wouldn't call it a retest, but I would say I'd say price could potentially fill back up this way and even tag the like 2900 area potentially. I'll go ahead and mark that as well, just for future reference. Just be like, oh yeah, OhmDawg said that before it happened. I'm I'm just playing, but yeah, we could see a tap up to there before we see price continue to move down. And remember, when I'm not recording these videos and you see price spiking and sustaining, then that's the bullish scenario setting up that we see. Just wanted to throw that in real quick. But as of now, we could see price trade up, entice buyers into the market, trade up, and trade down, and continue to break down. That's what we're looking for as of now. So yeah, with that being said, guys, oh yeah, I'm sorry, continuing down into this 2600 level that we have next. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and close this video off. Nothing too major today, just identifying what has happened previously, which was this this bullish move that's kind of showing the momentum in the market right now, which way it wants to go. Personally, that's what I see. But yeah, with that being said, guys, this is OhmDawg coming at you with another price action update. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna throw some clips in as well of the Veve vault from what I got from the Marvel Mighties drop today, because since I didn't get to do a live video, again, I apologize. I'm so sorry. But yeah, we will catch y'all in the next video. And this is OhmDawg. We will see you in the next one. Peace.
Long days, but I know hard work pays, so the money getting long too, and the kush smells strong too. That's that good, and the chick with me, she the bomb too. One thing I know is go hard, young, make fake niggas know this. Blowing money cause you dying if you don't live. That's how you know that I was fly when I wrote this. First class tags, or maybe I'm in first cause of my first class swag. Used to say that I was tripping, so a nigga bought expensive ass bags. Yeah, I'm straight, never switch lanes. On my job every day cause it's hard not to see. I came up in a big